Right there, that's right. Very good. All right. Reese, can you put your cup down? All right, who's this? That's right, it's Bob, but who is it? Who is that? Bubba Bear, that's right. Okay. Katina Cat, where's Katina Cat? That's right. And what does Katina Cat say? That's right. Okay, who's next? Dee Dee. Well, you gotta come over here. We can't see you. There's Dee Dee. What does Dee Dee Deer say? That's right. Who's this? There he is. What does Ellie Elephant say? Very good. Very good. You guys are all fired up today, aren't you? Francie Fish. Where's Francie Fish? That's right. What does Francie Fish say? That's right. Very good. Where's Gordo Gorilla? There he is. Alright, who's this? What is Honey? Where's Honey Horse at? Right there. That's right. Okay. Where's Annie? Where's Annie Inchworm at? Where's Annie Inchworm at? There he is. What does Annie Inchworm say? Very good. There he is, right there. What does Jerry Jellyfish say? That's right. That's right. Who's this? There he is. Who is that? That's right. Who's this? That's right, Missy Mouse. That's right, right there. Who's this? Who is that? Goodness, are you getting all excited? Okay. Who's this? Right there, that's right. Who's this? There he is. Pee-wee Penguin. What does Pee-wee Penguin say? That's right. Good job. Who's this? Queenie Quail. That's him. Who? You don't see Queenie Quail? Where's Queenie Quail at?
I don't know.
Where's Queenie Quail? There he is, right there. Queenie Quail. What does Queenie Quail say? That's right. What does Queenie Quail say? What does Queenie Quail say? Quah, quah. That's right. Okay. Who's this? That's right. You found him. Good job. Who is that? Nope. Come on over here. Who is this?
Sammy Snake.
Sammy Snake. That's right. All right. Who is it? Robbie Rabbit. Where's job. Who is this? You don't see who? You don't see Timothy Tiger? There he is. You found him. And what does Timothy Tiger say? Oh, big muscles. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I see. Oh, man. You guys got big muscles. I see. And what does Timothy Tiger say? I see. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness. Who's this? Who is this? Yeah, you did. Umber the umbrella bird. And what does Umber say? That's right. That's right. Very good. All right, who's this? Very good. Vincent Bat. That's right. Good job. All right, who's this? Who's that? That's right. What does Willie Weasel say? I mean, what does he ride? He rides the wave, right. All right, hold on. Who is this? What does Xavier Fox say? Okay, where's he at? There he is. That's right. What does Xavier Fox say? Oh, wow. Uriah, say X. That's right. Okay, show us your strong muscles. Oh, goodness. Oh, wait, do that again, Bryce. Bryce, show me your strong muscles again. I want to see your strong muscles. Show me your strong muscles. What is that? Is that Yacky Yak? You don't see the yak? You don't find the yak? Ah, there he is. Hey, you two, over here. We're doing this right now. Hi, Uriah. All right, we found Yancy Yak. You need to come over here. Yeah, Yancy Yak. What does Yancy Yak say?
Yak.
I see that. So, that's right. But why does Yancy Yak say yak? What does she do? What? I can't hear you either. She talks on the phone. That's right. That's right. All right. Who's this? Hey, Reese, Katie, over here. Who's this? Reese, who's this? Where's he at? Where's he at? Katie, where's he at? Where's Zeke Zebra? That's right. And what does Zeke say? Where? Oh, he goes to sleep? Zeke Zebra goes to sleep? He went to sleep? Man, you guys are fired up today, aren't you? All right, ready to do something else now? All right. Say bye.
Bye.